Hi, in this video I'll talk about calendar auto. So it says that it returns a table with a single column named date that contains a continuous set of dates, and the argument is a fiscal year and month. So if your fiscal year is on June, then you put the number 6. So let's begin. So let's say you have this data and these are 5 internet sales, and then what so you go to the here modeling, right? You create a new table and then you give that name. So you can give that any name you like, right? I'll just call it maybe I just call it name date. And now you're asking Power BI to go to the any of the table here that contains a date column to generate a list of dates. So that's just what it means. I'll calculate automatic generate, and not only that, you can specify the fiscal year. So that's you are right, that's 6, and then you enter and you get a date. See, look at that. This is what it means when it comes to here. See, it generates a single column named date that contains a contiguous set of dates, right? Pretty simple, yeah? And that's it. That's how you use the calendar auto. God bless you. God bless Asia.